Introducing Project UNCOMPAHGRE, a bespoke ECD Custom Defender 110 soft top, crafted with precision to reflect our client's distinct vision. Cloaked in a full-gloss Keswick green, it exudes classic sophistication, punctuated by refined silver detailing. It rides confidently on 16-inch Wolf wheels finished in Chawton white, wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres. The exterior is further distinguished by a slimline front bumper, 4-point frontal and multi-point rear roll cage, and fold-down side steps, each element carefully selected for both form and function. Step inside, a premium Evander wooden steering wheel pairs with classic vintage gauges to evoke timeless elegance. Recaro orthoped seats, renowned for their ergonomic design, are joined by 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear load area, all wrapped in sumptuous horizontal Garrett avian sand leather, hand-stitched in pebble beige. Beneath the hood lies a powerhouse, the LS3 6.2-litre V8 engine, delivering 430 horsepower through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Modern luxuries include a touchscreen infotainment system, JL audio speakers, Apple CarPlay, rear air conditioning, and multiple USB ports, seamlessly integrated for today's lifestyle without disturbing its vintage soul. Project UNCOMPAHGRE is more than a defender, it's a declaration of individuality, a union of craftsmanship and performance. Purpose-built and undeniably iconic. Build yours today.